everybody and welcome to Fab Tax. I'm Rosemary and today we have another Dollar Tree DIY that would make a great decoration for many celebrations such as weddings, showers, graduations, birthdays. It'd also make a great home decor item as well. It's a gilded brass floral hoop. Dollar Tree, we're going to need a 24-inch hula hoop, some mailing tape, one of the roses, 4 of the purple lilacs, 2 dogwoods, and 1 of the white lilacs. Other materials we'll need is a can of the gilded brass spray paint. First we're going to start by spray painting the hula hoop. You'll need to do a couple of coats to get it nice and covered. Once that's done, we'll start with adding the florals first with the purple lilacs. And you'll use the packing tape to attach these to the hula hoop, first by wrapping the stem with the tape and then wrapping the tape around the hula hoop. You'll do the taping first at the base and then get another about 4-inch piece of the tape and apply that closer there to the flowers and the leaves. Arranging the flowers first so that they lay nice on the hula hoop and then just tape them there up at the top of the stems. And you will be using the whole piece, no need to cut them into separate pieces or separate stems, just put the whole thing there on the hula hoop at once. Repeat the process with another lilac, wrapping the stem with the tape and then attaching the stem to the hula hoop itself. It's probably a good idea to just go ahead and make a bunch of 4-inch long tapes so you don't have to keep removing the tape or cutting tape every time. So if you go and make maybe about 10 to 15 4-inch tapes and just keep them along your working surface, they'll be ready to go and easy for you to use. And then there you go again up at the top. So one of the pieces of tape at the bottom of the stem and then one up closer to where the leaves are. Next we're going to use the dogwoods, the white dogwoods, repeating the same process. Taping the stem to the base, at the base around the hula hoop, and then further up by where the flowers and leaves are to secure it better to the, and position it in place better to the hoop. Now you'll get your second dogwood and you're going to place the stem of your second dogwood all the way up where the flowers meet of the first dogwood. And tape it there, and then put the tape of the stems, of the closer to where the flowers are, also on the dogwood. So 2 pieces of tape, one at the bottom and one closer to the flowers. Now this next step we're going to go back to using the lilacs on the other end here, but instead of using tape we're going to just take the stem of the lilac and push it up through where there is already tape. And if it pokes out a little like that, you can go ahead and add some more tape to secure it in place. And then move the dogwoods out of the way, push those leaves up a little bit and apply your tape there to the top of the lilac stems. We're going to repeat the process with the second lilac on this side and just push it up through the tape where it's being secured underneath of the other ones. You can see that it just slides right up in there beside the other stems underneath the tape. And then you can go ahead again and push your your leaves out of the way. Push them up towards the flowers, making the space for your tape to be applied to the stems at the top of the bush. So again, just lay them flat along the hula hoop and secure with a piece of tape. roses, and do that with the same process where we take the stems, slide them right through the existing tape. Do that for the two end pieces, and then for the middle roses, you can just poke the stem right through any point there on the tape and slide it again then through the existing tape. And then you can bend the heads of the roses so that they stand up in the proper position and position it around the hula hoop. White lilacs and accent around the roses with those. Again, sticking them in through the plastic tape and sliding the stem down along the sides of the other stems. You can add some to the right and to the left side of the roses. However, I want to take a minute just to share a quick tip of something that I do, especially for special occasions, where I take fresh greenery and add it to the artificial arrangement. This brings the arrangement to a whole new level, gives it a total wow factor, makes it look like a 100% real arrangement, especially if the flowers themselves are, flowers that tend to look almost real anyway. Just the addition of some fresh greenery. And these don't have to be anything fancy. The ones pictured here are actually from a backyard shrub. But if you don't have access to any shrubs or any greenery that you would be able to take cuttings from, you can just pick up some greens from a florist, or if you're doing a large event, the clubs such as Sam's or Costco sell wonderful bunches of different types of greens for very affordable prices. Hoop. Again, it makes a great decoration for many celebrations such as weddings or showers, graduations, birthday parties, quinceañeras. It also makes a great whimsical and romantic addition to your home decor. I hope you enjoyed this floral hoop tutorial, and I hope you found that packing tape method to be a helpful way to quickly and easily make these floral hoops. I also hope you found that fresh greens tip to be helpful, and that a good way to add that extra pop and bring your arrangement to the next level. We do have 2 other florals videos in this series, and I will provide a link for those in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again, and see you next time.